Short trip to the Sari Sari Store. Here we go. Ooh, it's hot out. Today is July 21st, and it's hot outside.
Okay, stay there. Nope.
This is our gate. Here's Jam Jam. Hey! Jam! Ow! I'm gonna hit my head. So this is right outside the gate. There she is at the Sari Sari Store. Got trikes coming up all over the place. Pretty cool to have one of these right across the street.
Regular po? Marunong kang mag-ano ng register? Yung 140. Kahit ako na lang. Regular na lang.
So there's like a trike stand down here on the corner. Wait, I'll show it to you in a minute. Pretty cool. Yeah. There's the trike stand down there. Look at all the trash people just dumped. It's the only bad part. So, and all that crap laying around. At any rate, hey dog, come here. What you doing? Come here, Jim. Come here. I'm looking at you. So Mama's buying some load for her phone and some Sprite. Yay, got the Sprite. So now we're gonna probably go hide inside the house for a little while because it is really, really hot out here. We'll go back out later. So let's go see what's going on. So there you have it. That's our trip to the Sari Sari Store. Pretty exciting, huh? Here, I'll show you the trike real fast. Yeah, Jam ran his head. Here's the tricycle. We took that out the other day. I gotta bring it out. Well, actually, I have to register it tomorrow at the LTO. Uh-oh. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? She thinks we're gonna go for a ride. So yeah, there's the trike. She's looking pretty good. She runs all right. And then if we look inside here, can't see it very well, but there's the ADV, the scooter that I just bought. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, it's really nice. That's another thing that we have to wait to drive till we get everything registered, and then they got that silly law right now that back riders are allowed, but you got to put that damn plastic barrier up between. It's just nonsense. It's crazy. Yep. It's called a Moto Porsche Panoy 155. I don't know. It was a good deal, so figured what the hell, let's buy it and see if we can get some good use out of it. I know, pretty sure we will. So, all right, that's about it. Pretty simple, pretty short. Take it easy. Bye-bye.